Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got me an IBM Selectric here on the bench that's giving me nothing but fits. In fact, it was dropped and it's all stuck, seized up, and then also this mainspring is completely whacked out in here. I mean, I've never seen that. Well, I can't say never, but I don't think I've ever seen this particular problem, which is, I'm telling you, this shift pulley right here, this little wheel should turn freely, and it's not. And I've seen these get seized up, and usually they'll break free with a little lack of thinner, a little penetrating oil, and a little bit of a, force, and they free up and just start spinning. It won't. I've tried everything on this. It won't move. So I'm going to try my good old induction heat method and see if I can heat it up and zap it to work. So I'm going to heat the center core up right here where the shaft is, where the oil is seized up. So here's my ground right here. Here's my hot lead right there. I'm going to put it on there as soon as I plug it in. So I'm going to plug this device in, and we're going to get some live power here. And this should have a spark here, like right here. Yep. Now it should spark right in here too. So let's do this. I'm going to heat that up. Nice and hot. Okay, that's pretty hot. Let's see if I can get it to turn now. It's turning. I swear I've never done that before. Seen one of these that seized up. It's turning. So I'm going to put a little more lacquer center on this and see if I can get this to spin. Oh, there it goes. That's it. There it goes. So that was seized up, boy, let me tell you. Alright. So, just wanted to show that tricky little adjustment. Oh, that is really stuck. Alright, so let me disconnect this and watch how I put that rotate band back on here. So the rotate band is right here, and it's under full tension right now. So let's see if I can do this without ruining it. So I'm going to pull this out a little bit like that, and put my finger through here like that. And I'm going to put this back on the pulley like that. Oh, didn't quite get it right. Hop to the center there. So let's get my other springy hook out. Just bring it around like that. Okay. So now the shift should work. That was so seized up, it was binding the shift action. So that was binding before, it was so stuck. So that is the trouble with these guys. They just get the old oil in there, seizes up so tight. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.